Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn to Earn. Public speaking segment, lecture number 1, part 1. In face-to-face communication, it's not enough to command the other people's attention. We must also be able to hold on it long enough to deliver your message, your intention. And to do so, we need a good quality of rapport to stabilize with the people. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to share 7 unlearning things before learning of public speaking.
Quick unlearning session before learning. So there are 7 quick unlearning things before learning of public speaking. First is only babies are born. Second, connect with yourself first. Third, stage fear is like any other fear. And the fourth unlearning is feeling nervous is natural. Fifth unlearning is it's not about English. Sixth unlearning is stop practicing in front of mirror. And the seventh unlearning thing is public speaking is only for public speaker. So one by one we will be seeing these 7 unlearning things which we should learn before learning of public speaking.
Let me tell you very quickly first thing to unlearn which I have learned in my 7 years of life's experience. Whenever someone is speaking very effectively in this stage, I used to say, wow, maybe he or she is a born speaker. When I got contact with them, I personally asked them, how did they manage to talk very effectively in this stage? Then I realized, I got to know. They have spent a lot of time, money, resources, everything to learn this. So ladies and gentlemen, whenever we see someone speaking very effectively in this stage, you just think that they have put a lot of efforts to learn it. So the very first thing to unlearn here is only babies are born in this world. The rest of the things we have to learn.